Hi guys, Freiwald here. Going to be doing a little series on the automation program that I've got called Train Controller. I'm no expert at it. I'm just going to be sharing you guys the discoveries that I have, or the things that I've learned with the program as I progress. So the version that I have is the silver package, version 9. Silver is basically a medium or middle version package between your bronze, which is very basic, and then you've got your gold version, which is very well advanced. I will show you the features with the silver, and I will explain the features that are missing out the silver that is in the gold, but have discovered how to get around it without having to upgrade to the gold version. Before I forget, on the bottom I will put a link to Rudy's site. He's got a very good tutorial on Train Controller. Now, he is working on the gold version. However, most of the steps that's in the gold version also it also can be used in the silver version. You will see the differences there in what can be done and what can't be done, but the principles are pretty much the same. So if you follow his tutorial, you'll get the basics of how to run Train Controller. That is where I got most of my tips from, and I'm just going to share my way of getting around the features that's not in silver, to still be able to enjoy the program. So let's get on with it. Okay people, so here we are. I fired up the program, as you can see, and this is the default window that you will actually see when it opens up. It's pretty straightforward and simple. What we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how simple it is to do a track diagram in this one, and in the next one I'll show you guys how I get all the components hooked up. So to start off with, we'll start with the track diagram, or the other hooking up your controller and accessories and whatnot. I'll do that in the next part. But for this one here, I will show you how easy it is to get a track diagram going. So on these tabs at the top, you've got the railroad. That gives you all the controls. Edit. teach you how to enter the properties and groups. This is a bit more fine tuning down the track, more advanced. We're interested in, for this segment here, track. This is where we do the track editing. You must have the edit mode on, which is up in the top left hand corner. Now I'm going to select draw, and I'll pick any spot. I'll just pick up in the middle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight simple line. Hold the left key with the mouse, activates it, and just drag the line across, just so, to desired length. Let's say that's our length there, and let go, and there's your track. That's your track plan made up. We want to do a passing loop. We're going to do a simple passing loop on this one. You can do this in two ways. You can say divert the track from the corner, go up to a 45-degree angle, left hold of the mouse button, desired spot. Let's go up to 2 squares like so. So do a switch. We'll just click on a desired location, move the mouse while holding the left button, let go. There's a track segment, and also you have your switch put in at the same time. You don't have to fuss around with the specific icons up the top. It automatically draws in the switches for you. Now I'm just going to do another demonstration. I want to do a parallel track. I go draw a small line like so, and that can easily be connected, as you can see here, and switch is put in and the line's connected. Now I can connect this on by just clicking these two buffers, as you see here. I can connect them up by simply by the last point, put the pencil on it, use the left button and hold, drag up to the point like so, let go, and there you have it, a simple track diagram. For now I'm going to leave it here, because in the next segment I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do the blocks for indication of where the trains are, and how to do the switch controls as well.